Hello, hello, hello. Uh, guys, I don't know. By mistake, I played my music. Uh, Tell me what day I have to do back test. You guys tell me the date. Hello, 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 hello. Uh, Tell me what day I have to back test. कुछ random date बताओ. Tell me a date. Tell me a date. Full March. What year? What year? What year? The song is sick. What date? What date? What date? March 19th. Fine. Set 5,000. Yeah, end date. We'll keep it. Fine. Can't concentrate. Fine. Let's see. Okay, first thing to change is time zone. Ours at 5:30 Kolkata ka time, Indian Standard Time. Okay, so few things I'm gonna be looking for 4 hour for direction. Okay, तो पहले क्या करेंगे 4 hour direction at 7:20. Wait 1 second. Okay, so this is where the New York session का new 4 hour candle खुलता है. Okay, so right now what you can see is two things. One, if you go on daily time frame, क्या दिख रहा? Overall bus क्या bearish है? We tapped into this gap right here, दिख रहा? And then we are seeing some sort of reaction from there. Okay, for daily time frame, nothing much. But if you go on to like 4 hour, what we can see is there is this very small gap which is getting respected right here, and price is usually stuck in this and this. It's not that good price action. ऐसे कुछ भी हो सकता है. Not recommending trading here. Also, although we have these highs as target, अगर ऊपर जाना चाहता है तो we have these highs, and if it wants to go down we have these potential lows. These are few cases where my bias is not fixed, क्योंकि the thing is that on a higher time frame we swept out some liquidity. ओके, यहाँ का जो लिक्विडिटी है उसको लिया है, एंड ऊपर से पूरा बैरिश है. आइदर इट वांट्स टू लाइक बैलेंस दिस रेंज देन पुश लोअर, या इधर से ही डम कर सकता है. सो देर आर टू केसेस. ओके, इफ अभी हम क्या कंडीशन रख सकते हैं, व्हाट कंडीशन वी कैन पुट अस, इफ दिस गैप इज गेटिंग रेस्पेक्टेड वी शुड पुश बैरिश टिल वेयर, पहला ये लो बाकी ये लो. 1 hour में क्या दिख रहा? 1 hour we are disrespecting this one bullish pair वाले gap. यहाँ पे ये वाला, it's very hard condition right here, but let's see. uh, इसके लिए मैं क्या करूँगा, वेट करूँगा कुछ प्राइस एक्शन बिल्ड होने में. ऐसे ऐसे टाइम में प्राइस इज पुशिंग बुलिश, कुछ हो रहा है इधर. फ्रॉम हियर टू हियर नथिंग. यहाँ पे क्या कर रहा? वी फॉर्म दिस ऑर्डर ब्लॉक राइट हियर. 4 hour में क्या है? वी हैव दिस वन 4 hour ऑर्डर ब्लॉक. आर्ली में क्या है? आर्ली ऑल्सो सेम थिंग हियर, कुछ नहीं है. But the thing is that here 1 hour candle doesn't have bottom wick. That concerns price इधर आ सकता है. You can trade it as a PO3 model. If you know a PO3 is nothing but accumulation, manipulation, distribution. और ये जो है क्या बनता है, विक बनता है जब एक कैंडल फ्लिप होता है ऐसे नीचे बैरिश, दिस इज अ विक एंड देन इट माइट पुश बैरिश फ्लिप कर सकता है। ओके, सो 15 मिनट सेम लो। ओके, वी हैव दैट फेयर वाली गैप ऑल्सो। 5 मिनट के लिए क्या है, वी हैव दिस 5 मिनट गैप। We'll see. These are some levels where I want price to hit and then see some reactions. 5 मिनट दिया, कुछ रिएक्शन मिला नहीं, प्राइस पुश बैरिश, बहुत गंदा कंडीशन है। ओके, वी हिट दैट 15 मिनट लो। जो ये आर्ली का बोल रहा था ना, सी दैट फ्लिप, जो कैंडल नीचे गया, इधर से क्या कर सकता है, इफ इट गिव्स अ गुड रिएक्शन फ्रॉम दिस 15 मिनट फेयर वाले गैप आई कैन लुक फॉर लॉन्ग्स। मिल रहा। नोप, 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 नोप। ओके, सो 3 मिनट वी हैव दिस गैप, 5 मिनट कुछ नहीं है, बट 5 मिनट वी हैव दिस फेयर वाले गैप राइट हियर। क्या हो सकता है वो, चेंज चार्ट कलर प्लीज। फाइन, 1 सेकेंड। That's why the background has to change, or this is fine? No, the background only is like that. That's why. No, I was randomly testing that thing. रात को अच्छा दिखता है. We'll go with my color. Uh, मेरा आंख दर्द हो रहा है. It's too bright. Fine. यहाँ पे क्या चल रहा है? Now we are in that 15 मिनट का फेयर वाली गैप. It did disrespect. पर we did hit this 15 मिनट का order block. क्या देख रहा? This is a 15 मिनट order block. Uh, Okay, so for now, what I want to see is this 3 मिनट getting inverse, क्योंकि इस हाई और इस लो, ये जो हाई है इस हाई इस लो पे, दिस इज द हाईएस्ट टाइम फ्रेम गैप। यहाँ पे 1 मिनट में क्या, 1 मिनट में इधर है, 1 मिनट में इधर है, पर 1 मिनट के साथ क्या 3 मिनट का है, 5 मिनट में नहीं है। सो ऑलवेज चूज द हाईएस्ट टाइम फ्रेम फ्रॉम 1 2 3 4 5। जो 1 से 5 में है, ट्राई चूजिंग द हाईएस्ट टाइम फ्रेम फेयर वाले गैप। सो फॉर नाउ if this 3 minute gets inverse, I'll try to look for longs. होता नहीं होता, so we'll see. Did it inverse? It did though. Fine. 1 second. For now, we inverse this gap, proper V-shape recovery. I can try to look for longs. Stops इसके नीचे, SMT नहीं देख सकता, नहीं तो और थोड़ा probability होता. Target wise, the thing is that यहाँ से target wise you can keep till here. This is gonna give you 1 2 3. नहीं तो आप क्या कर सकते हो, go for lower time frame, और इसका जो high है, from this high 1 high 2 high 3 high, you can keep at this high and break even right here. This has to be a strict break even right here, क्योंकि ना this is a higher time frame fair वाली gap, this is a 15 minute fair वाली gap. प्राइस यहाँ से ऊपर जाके यहाँ पे रिएक्ट करके फिर bearish, if it wants to go bearish, it'll do from here. सो व्हाट वी नीड टू मेक श्योर कि उधर से हम ब्रेक इवन हो जाए. आई एम टेलिंग इन दिस इन डिटेल. ओके, सो प्लेस ऑर्डर, ये वाला रेस्ट हाफ. 1 सेकेंड. 1% रिस्क, सेफ, विल सी. तो और एक बार रिपीट कर लूँगा, क्यू ट्रेड लिया, वी वेटेड द प्राइस टू गो वेयर. अगर बुलिश जाना चाहता है तो फर्स्ट थिंग इज 4 RPO3. और क्या, एवरी टाइम द न्यू 4 आर कैंडल ओपन्स, इट ओपन्स लाइक दिस. इफ इट वांट्स टू गो बुलिश, पहले क्या करेगा, नीचे आके विक बनाएगा, इधर बनाया दिख रहा. इफ इट वांट्स टू गो बुलिश, इट विल मेक अ विक एंड देन इट flips and goes bullish. Okay, that's one thing. Second thing, we hit this 15 minute order block right here. Nice recovery from there. SMT रहता तो और अच्छा होता. And then 5 minute there's no inversion. 3 मिनट का highest time frame inversion है. From there I'm taking longs. Break even right here, target till here. See, nice reaction. You can keep stops to break even right here. I would prefer अगर आप starting में break even कर रहे हो तो करो, नहीं तो you can keep below this low. Now what is my risk here? Look at this. I'm getting 1 2 3 in this setup. Nice proper this thing reaction. क्योंकि कुछ बार क्या हो जाता है, price usually comes retest, वो भी होता. But I would prefer कि तुम लोग अगर ट्रेड कर रहे हो तो try keeping stops to break even. This is a proper risk free trade. We have these LR generated. Now you have to see how it goes. See, that's it. That's it. Literally, we hit a 1 2 3, very simple trade. Proper reaction from there. Okay, understood, right? Why break even right here? If this 15-minute gap hold करके, if it wanted to go bearish, it would have done there. That's why my stops are break even at that point. Okay, so that's the trade. If you want more confirm, ये इसके बाद discretionary होता. Based on your experience, if you want to hold, you can hold till this high. इधर तक partials 80% क्लोज करके होता नहीं होता. सी, नाइस रिएक्शन. क्यों उधर था? क्योंकि दिस वाज द 5 मिनट हाई जो बनाया था. एंड दिस आल्सो एक्ट्स एज एन ऑर्डर ब्लॉक, उल्टा रिवर्स दिस होल थिंग. सो यू माइट सी रिएक्शन, फिर उधर ब्रेक यूनिट होता. पर इफ़ यू आर कॉन्फिडेंट, यू कैन होल्ड टिल दिस हाई. वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है. It does reach there, but it hits. This is called as seek and destroy. If you watch TJR या किसी का वीडियो, this is proper. See, proper break in spot में क्या करता है? It came, it literally wicked there, push पूरा इधर तक. So that's one thing. Yeah, till here. For now, my starting objective is clear. जहाँ तक जाना था, draws are hit. Always see, uh, discretionary means it's on your experience. If you're like मेरा टारगेट इधर तक है, पर आई फील लाइक इधर तक जा सकता, बेस्ड ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस. कुछ लोगों का 10 साल एक्सपीरियंस है, दे विल टेक पार्शियल्स, दे आर लाइक इट विल गो टिल हियर. दैट इज डिस्क्रिशनरी. यहाँ तक क्या है, मैकेनिकल मॉडल, मतलब इधर तक जाना चाहिए. अगर ऐसे इन्वर्जन हुआ तो इधर से इधर तक जाना चाहिए. दैट इज कॉल्ड एज अ मैकेनिकल मॉडल. डिस्क्रिशनरी मीन्स कि इधर से इधर तक तुम्हारे एक्सपीरियंस के ऊपर जा सकता है कि नहीं, वो आपके ऊपर डिपेंड है. सो दैट इज़ वॉट दैट यू फील कि उधर तक जाना चाहिए, बेस्ड ऑन योर एक्सपीरियंस और समथिंग. दैट्स वॉट डिस्क्रिशनरी मीन्स. Okay, so now what is happening? Gone to higher time frame. Still, where are my draws? Do these equal highs? Okay, still draws ऊपर ही है. I'm not watching Asia London session, nothing. Based on how price is reacting on 4 hour levels, 1 hour levels, and taking entry on 135 minute. ओके, सो वी हिट दिस हाई. जब भी ऐसे पुश आता है, वी यूजुअली कंसोलिडेट, फिर इधर से ऊपर जा सकता है. इफ़ यू गो लाइक थोड़ा पीछे, व्हाट इज़ हैपनिंग इज दिस इज़ अ हायर टाइम फ्रेम MMXM मॉडल. कैसे? यहाँ से ये वाला एक्चुअली सेल मॉडल है. एंड इधर से क्या करना चाहिए? इट शुड फॉलो अ बाय मॉडल. बाय मॉडल में क्या होता है? इट पुशेस हायर, कंसोलिडेट करेगा, फिर इधर से पुश हाई करेगा जब तक ड्रॉस हिट ना हो. ड्रॉस क्या है अभी के लिए? ये हाई है, ये हाई है. ओके, एंड द टाइम इज़ 9:20. आई ट्रेड टिल 10. 10 के बाद ना ये आता लंच आवर्स. इफ़ यू डोंट नो अबाउट टाइमिंग्स, ऑलवेज मेक श्योर यू नो अबाउट टाइमिंग्स. See, the thing is that I had never traded New York time. I can switch it to New York time, but most of my viewers are like Indian only. So उनके लिए आसानी होगा. Even I never switch to New York timing. But if you want to New York timing, it's what? This UTC. Yes. That's 11:51. Yeah, just try to convert this time with your timing. Yeah, based on your experience. Yeah, so fine. अभी क्या हो रहा? We are pushing bullish. I'll see till 10. If anything comes, then fine. Otherwise, if you're Indian guy, always know 7 o'clock market open hota. Note this timings, very important. Wait. Fixed. If you are any trader, just note down this timing. People don't know. I'm sure all of you don't know these timings. Okay, 7 o'clock Indian Standard Time, 7 p.m. What happens? New York session open. NYSE, not New York session. Okay, New York session कब open होता है? 5:30. This is New York Stock Exchange. ठीक है? New York Stock Exchange 7 o'clock open होता है. There's difference between New York session and New York Stock Exchange. Okay. NYC open hota 7 o'clock. Always remember this timings. Okay. 7:30. What happens? 7:30 p.m. New 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, all time frames. 15 minute, 5 minute. Dot. Just know these things. Win rate क्या चल रहा this month? My win rate is around 82%. This month it's 82%. I've lost only one day. Okay, so always remember 7:30 में न्यू 4 hour candle. Why this new 4 hour candle is special? दिन में सिर्फ 4 ही आता है. फाइव सॉरी. और एक गैप रहता. ठीक है, एक गैप रहता जब क्लोज होता है स्टॉक्स. फिर बाद में ऑलवेज नोट दिस इज़ अ वेरी हाई टाइम फ्रेम. डेली के बाद यही हाईएस्ट टाइम फ्रेम है विच पीपल यूजुअली यूज़. और दिस टाइम फ्रेम जो 7:30 में आता, दिस इज़ द मोस्ट वोलेटाइल 4 hour 1 hour कैंडल. ठीक है, इसमें ना जो नया PO3 यूज़ करता है कुछ लोग, सो ऑलवेज नोट डाउन दिस टाइमिंग. उसके बाद 10 o'clock, रिमेंबर दिस. क्या होता है? लंच आवर्स. लंच आवर्स यानी जो न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में जो काम कर रहा है उनका लंच टाइम. जैसे बैंक, अगर कोई बैंक में काम कर रहा है जो SBI कुछ, तो लंच टाइमिंग लाइक दैट. जो ट्रेड कर रहा है न्यूयॉर्क स्टॉक एक्सचेंज में, उनका लंच आवर 10 p.m. में शुरू होता है. ठीक है, सो यूजुअली आई ट्रेड फ्रॉम 7 to 10. 10 इज़ माई मैक्स. उसके बाद PM सेशन स्टार्ट होता है 11 o'clock से. ठीक है, सो ऑलवेज रिमेंबर दीज टाइमिंग्स. दिस विल हेल्प यू. Hmm. Okay, so we took out this high. Now my draws are still till here. We'll see if it can reach. अभी उस उधर तक जाने के लिए what are the retracement I'll look for is one is this order block. Okay, still this candle didn't close. अगर ये ऐसे bullish close करेगा तो we leave this wick all day lunch time. That's true. Okay, so 15 minute. I usually look for 15 minute 1 hour जो goated time frame है. So 15 minute we have this one gap where price might react. So let's see. We get a 15 minute, how many minutes? Okay, 15 minute candle just closed. We have that 15 minute order block. We have this 15 minute fair value gap. Okay, let's see what happens. From here, ऐसे कुछ होता है ना. We inverted here. 15 minute fair value gap है जो unfilled है. Unfilled मतलब जो टैप नहीं किया. You can actually trade reverse also यहाँ से. ठीक है, ये इन्वर्जन पे वो भी ट्रेड किया मैंने. यहाँ पे इन्वर्जन हुआ. दिस माइट बी एन SMT. ऐसे कुछ SMT रहेगा. ओके, एंड वी हैव दिस इन्वर्जन राइट हियर. ऐसे 3 मिनट में कुछ है नहीं है, 1 मिनट में. ओके, सो मोस्ट ऑफ द टाइम फेयर वैल्यू आप कैसे एक्ट करते हैं? दे एक्ट लाइक मैग्नेट टूवर्ड्स द प्राइस. यूजुअली प्राइस क्या करता है? इधर ड्रॉ करता है, नहीं तो इधर से रिपल करता है. ठीक है, फेयर वैल्यू आपका काम ही हुई है. इधर से क्या करना है? प्राइस को अट्रैक्ट करना, क्योंकि अनफिल्ड है. इट मेक्स इट मोर प्रॉबल. सो यू कैन रिवर्स ट्रेड ऑल्सो. यहाँ से जब ये इन्वर्ट हुआ, इधर से शॉर्ट्स लेके कहाँ तक? इधर तक टारगेट. यहाँ पे ब्रेक इवन हो जाना चाहिए. See, that would have also worked here. Okay, we have that 15 minute order block. Okay, this is from external liquidity to internal liquidity. मैं ट्रेड करता हूँ internal liquidity to external liquidity. That's something that I like. Okay, now we have that 15 minute fair value gap, 15 minute order block. Bias still bullish है, target ऊपर है. So I'll try looking for longs here. ओके वी इन्वर्टेड दिस गैप, नाइस पुश। अभी देखो क्या, वी हैव वन गैप हियर इन 5 मिनट, we have another gap in 3 minute, so which one would I prefer? Obviously 5 minute, right? This 5 minute, this is the highest time frame from 1 minute to 5 minute. So what I can do, I can expect this, अगर एक gap invert होगा तो क्या expect कर सकते हो? Bullish reaction till where? Till these highs. And capital liquidity speed 1 hour 4 hour session highs lows confirmation 70 hour liquidity speed happen pre-market, yes if one something continuation confirmation thousand please that is also a nice strategy, but it's too much rules though, बहुत rules है. I feel like it's too many rules. Try making it more simple जो help कर सकता. See now 1 minute में क्या, 1 minute we did inverse, but we already hit this 3 minute का gap, we are in that 5 minute का gap. ठीक है, इधर से मैं क्या expect करूँगा, what would I expect is if price bullish है, sellers are getting trapped, if it shows aggression here, retrace longs, या तो इधर से क्या करना चाहिए, नीचे गिरना चाहिए. So with my bus, I expect this gap to get inverse, buyers show aggression. We'll see 1 2, what happened, we didn't flip there, we'll wait for one more time. Now it already reacted. Okay, एक बार ये 5 minute gap react कर चुका. Now what I can do is scale to lower time frame. This is something I use. Now इस high से इस low तक I can look for any inversion, then I can trade that till here if my bias is good. See if my bias is bullish, strong bullish condition. We already reacted 5 minute here. Okay, now I don't expect this gap inverse के बाद ही लेना चाहिए. I can go on to like lower time frames and then इस जो न्यू हाई न्यू लो है उधर से मैं ट्राई looking for longs. Okay, so there's nothing here to be taken trade off. मेरा entry inversion में ही रहता. Okay, are we having something? No. So what happened, that gap got respected, उधर से price push कर रहा है. कुछ लोग क्या किए रहेंगे, 3 मिनट का, सी सी दिस इज व्हाट टिपिकल जो पैटर्न ट्रेडर्स रहता है मिस्टेक यही करता है. दे वुड लिटरली सी दिस 3 मिनट का इन्वर्जन. आई हैव सीन पीपल डू दिस 3 मिनट का इन्वर्जन, लॉन्ग्स हियर. ओके, डोंट डू दिस मिस्टेक प्लीज. ऑलवेज ऑलवेज लर्न दिस बैक टेस्टिंग. ठीक है, स्टॉप्स इसके नीचे या स्विंग लो के नीचे, टारगेट यहाँ पे. ओके, दे गेट स्टॉप्ड आउट हियर, इंस्टेंट स्टॉप आउट, बट दे वोंट रियलाइज द मिस्टेक. वाई दे गेट स्टॉप आउट, क्योंकि 3 मिनट के ऊपर ना 5 मिनट का इन्वर्जन है. यू शुड वेट ऑलवेज दिस टाइम फ्रेम इन्वर्जन टू गेट respected, then you can look long still here. That's the best entry. Okay, now still my bias is bullish. Where will I look from? One is this order block right here. 15 minute में क्या, 1 second, there's nothing much. This gap is getting disrespected. Most probably अगर ये disrespect करेगा तो क्या हो सकता है, ऐसे रहेगा तो यहाँ तक जा सकता है. Okay, so let me remove few things. Oh, timing is 10:13 right here, so I don't trade after this क्योंकि अभी ना lunch hours रहता, so price usually chop होता, so ऐसे chop हो रहा है ना, chop 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 आया पर yeah 10:30 now PM session starts. You can trade PM session, but yeah that was not too क्योंकि PM session slow होता compared to New York session, sorry AM session. So let me skip next day. We got one win there. See, our draws were clear. जो target था वो hit हो गया. So always note कि कैसा होता. These draws got hit. Draw on liquidity था. मेरे लिए like draw on liquidity is the thing that makes profitable. क्योंकि you should know where price wants to go. From there you look for some confidence to take trades on. यहाँ पे देखो, this order block got respected in 4 hour. This order block got respected. ये पूरा जो order block है, फिर ये वाला respect करके टारगेट तक हिट किया. ओके, Let me remove all the drawings. Okay, there's a new chart again. uh, okay, so what we can see is daily time frame में क्या हो रहा है. You can clearly see it's bullish. Okay, why is it bullish? One thing is that this gap again got respected. ये जो बड़ा वाला gap है got disrespected. Nice push. Also what we left is almost relative equal highs, दोनों highs. So it makes it more bullish. But we have this one inversion right here. थोड़ा hard रहेगा price को इससे ऊपर push करने के लिए. So yeah, यहाँ पे bias क्या bullish है. ठीक है. We have few highs. इसके ऊपर क्या है? More draws are this high. Again unfilled gaps. Always note, always watch over जहाँ पे unfilled gaps है. यहाँ पे एक unfilled gap है. Price might eventually go higher. Hourly में क्या है? Hourly we have bearish gaps. If I'm bullish, what happen? क्या करना चाहिए? ये दोनों gap जो है disrespect करके ऊपर push करना चाहिए. Okay. So अभी के लिए क्या है? This is my 4 hour order block. And this is 1 hour order block. Opposite side में क्या है? We have this unfilled 15 minute, oh sorry, unfilled 1 edge gap. So these are all the things that I can note. इसके ऊपर देखो, यहाँ पे proper LR है. We have 3 relative equal highs. मुझे लग I would be too bullish at this case क्योंकि we have good draws at like higher time frame wise में. ठीक है, यहाँ पे LR generated है, push किया है नीचे. Probably there's an SMT here and new 4 hour candle open. अभी इधर से क्या एक्सपेक्ट करूँगा? दिस कैंडल डजेंट हैव लाइक प्रॉपर टॉप विक. अगर आप 4 आवर टाइम फ्रेम देखोगे तो बड़ा बड़ा विक रहता है ऑलमोस्ट हर टाइम फ्रेम में. सो लेट्स सी क्या करेगा इधर से. आई फील लाइक बड़ा सा कैंडल आएगा. आई न्यू. ओके, वी आर रिएक्टिंग टू दैट 1 hour unfilled gap. Sorry, I'm not reading charts if there is anything. Wait. Lol, I have even more rule. The whole chart page will be filled with the type of my chart. That's the thing. Try reducing it as much as possible. If it suits you, then good. Yeah, that's also there. If it suits you, use those strategy. Bro, I'm new to trading. Can you tell me how to mark swing? I mean, consider it as a swing. Okay, so I'll answer one thing. How do you identify a swing? If you see here, जो sharp points दिखता है ऐसे, if you see something like this, oh sorry, not this. If you see something like this, जो भी है ऐसे sharp points है, जो विक्स बनाता है, इधर एक sharp point है, इधर एक sharp point है. It's always 3 candle, बीच वाला candle नीचे रहता है. ठीक है. If you see, these are all swing points. यहाँ पे swing points है, ये भी swing point 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 है. It's basically just 3 candle जो third candle नीचे रहता है. This is a swing point. Sharp moves you see, then you can identify. यहाँ पे शार्प मूव नीचे है फिर ऊपर गया. दिस इज शार्प मूव नीचे गया ऊपर गया. सो ऑल दीज आर लाइक स्विंग पॉइंट्स. इधर एक है, इधर एक है, इधर एक है. सो ट्राई. इट्स यूजुअली जो ऐसे ट्रेड करता है ये बीच में रहता है ऑलवेज ऑन हाइज एंड लोज. जो भी ऐसे वी शेप का रहता है, दैट इज कॉल्ड स्विंग पॉइंट्स. आर यू सिंगल? यस, आई एम सिंगल. What's happening here? 1 second. Okay, fine. I'm married to Nasdaq though. ओके, सो राइट नाउ व्हाट इज आर. ये गैप इन अभी तक ये गैप इन्वर्ट नहीं किया. सो आर बी लिटिल केयरफुल अगर लॉन्ग्स करना चाहूँगा तो. आई एम ट्रेडिंग नास्डैक राइट नाउ. इट्स कॉल्ड नास्डैक. सो ओके, सो वी हैव दी स्विंग. ऑलवेज रिमेंबर जैसे ऐसे रिलेटिव इक्वल हाइज है तो मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली बहुत चांसेस है कि ऊपर से जा सकता है. So these swing highs are like very good draw on liquidity. So I would try to ignore this 1 hour gap and try to look for any potential long जो मिल सकता है. I feel like the guy who's texting me is from my college. I feel like that. Anyway, bro, if possible, try talking about trading. We can talk about that later. I would advise you to do that. Okay, so yeah. Uh, let's see. I would try to ignore these gaps right here because my draws are like higher. Let's see if we can take any trades based on that. From this high to this, sorry, this low to this high. I would probably wait for this midpoint to get hit क्योंकि बहुत प्रीमियम में लॉन्ग करूंगा फिर फंस जाऊंगा. That's something I notice during these times. Bro, which broker you use for trading? I use funding broker, like funding wala. There's something called as a Tradeovate, which is a broker. अगर तुम funding pips use करते हो like for this thing. Yeah, I trade futures account. There's something called as futures account. There's something called as my funded futures. Company hai, I trade them. So one is my funded futures, the other one is funding techs. So I trade them, like those brokers. But they are connected to Tradeovate broker. Okay, so one thing you can notice is from this low to this high, we have this order block जो इस 50% के बीच में आ रहा है. So this is a potential long from here. देखूंगा मिल सकता है क्या. So this is a 5 minute order block, less probable, but it works. Let's see what happens. I don't want price to just rip higher. हो सकता है. Let's see. कुछ retrace. It literally pushing bullish. How long have you been doing this? I've been doing this for like past 2.5 years. See, draws are clear, but I'm not getting any entry here. That sucks. We still have that high right there. Okay. Uh, I'll still try to long. We have like swing lows also. Try looking for this. This is a 5 minute intermediate low. यही से मैं ट्राई करूंगा लॉन्ग करने का. इधर से लॉन्ग करूंगा फंस जाऊंगा अगर ये और एक ऐसे रिलेटिव इक्वल हाई, सॉरी, ऐसे हाई बना के इधर से फुल डंप कर लिया मैं फंस जाऊंगा. सो मोस्ट प्रोबेबली लॉन्ग्स कहाँ से है? या तो यहाँ से. इट्स इन प्रीमियम बट इट्स स्टिल फाइन क्योंकि मेरा ड्रॉज इधर है जा सकता है. सो आइदर हियर दिस इज नथिंग. नहीं तो ये वाला. दिस कम्स इन दिस गैप जो ये 50% के आसपास है. इफ पॉसिबल आई कैन लुक फॉर लॉन्ग्स फ्रॉम देयर. I don't think so. I'll get entry here. Yeah, right here. Draws are clear from इधर से इधर draw clear था. No entry here क्योंकि ऐसे ही पूरा ऊपर चला गया. So we hit these equal highs. Will I change my bias? No, क्योंकि अभी भी और targets है. We have this high right here. We have this high right here. We have this high right here. So what I'll see अभी इधर से I won't long blindly. I would wait for any of these gaps get hit. यहाँ पे एक 15 मिनट का हाई है, सॉरी 15 मिनट का लो है. Can't even write. आर्ली में कुछ है नहीं. आर्ली में वी हैव हियर इट्स टू लो. Just asking if you're comfortable, you can answer something approximation how much money you would have made from this career at your level. You can make generally around $1,000 to $2,000 a month. You can't expect a lot because I'm still studying. I can't scale accounts right now. If you want to do it like a proper career, उसके लिए बहुत चाहिए प्रोफेशन. बट इफ़ यू डू एज अ वेल एक्सपीरियंस ट्रेडर यू कैन मेक easily $5,000 to $10,000 a month. at my level, because it's easy to scale also. Because prop firms came, it made life of trader easier. The return is too high. You're spending like $50, you're getting how much? $1,000 payout. Look at the multiple factor it gives. So I would expect you can make a lot. If you put like 5 6 hours properly, you can make easily 20 30,000 dollars a month. What are you studying? I'm studying engineering. I'm in my fourth year. Okay, so from here, let's see if I can see any potential longs. I do this won't me by trading day. Okay, right here we are seeing some sort of reaction. Is there anything that I can long from? There's nothing actually. ऐसे पूरा गिर सकता है क्योंकि we swept out these highs. Hmm, we have this unfilled 5 minute. Sorry. Okay, so if I can see some setup, I can risk. There was this long though from here. Miss kar diya. Long here. Stops like this. Target here, but this would be my break even. नहीं काम करता. Didn't take this trade. Okay, so we are still छोटा गैप है इधर 15 मिनट का, बट आई वुड एडवाइस कि इधर से लॉन्ग्स बेटर है. इट्स 8:52. Okay, we hit that 15 minute gap. Let's see if we can swoop this again. फिर बहुत अच्छा मिलेगा. Any gaps? 3 minute. We have very small 3 minute gap. 5 minute. 1 minute में close कर रहा है. एक second. Okay, so we are in this 5 minute gap. If you get any inversion, easy target till here. Blindly I can take 1 2 3 4 5. Yeah, I can take this longs right here. We noted that 5 minute gap. Stops यहाँ पे ना थोड़ा discretionary है. I mark from this low to this high. I try to keep it below this level right here. I can't keep it at wick क्योंकि most of the time it try to retrace. ऐसा बड़ा विक्स देखेगा ना, then most probably वो retrace करके फिर ऊपर जाएगा. यहाँ पे दिखा सकता हूँ क्या? We have this wick right here. Can you see? There's something called as wick rejection. You can see it literally as a pinpoint rejection आता है 0.618 yeah, properly 8. Yeah, see, look how exact the reaction was from here. So that's something called as wick rejection. There's one guy who trades that. So yeah, I use those concepts as well thoda bahut. So that's my first target. Second target would be this high. We are generating this LR. We hit that 15 minute low. Inverse cap. ब्रेक इवन का देखना पड़ेगा. Break even would be this high right here. क्योंकि ये swing low, swing high, फिर ये swing low है. So this is a potential proper break even. Sorry, a proper high that I can trade. Long here. Okay. So my break even is set right here. TP I can close 50% here, then runners run till that high. Ah, oh my God. Nah, this didn't work. But almost it came to my break even spot. Sometimes happens. But look at this rejection from here. So for now, what I'll do, I'll wait for this low to be swept, then look for longs again. What happened? What are you studying? I'm studying something in NITK. I'm studying in a well-known college, this thing. So yeah, uh, you can ask my personal questions later. That's fine. Right now, what I'll do, wait for this low to get swept, look for again potential long. What is the difference between your model and Kane's model? The thing is that Kane model, see, Kane model, what does he do? He sees premium discount. He tries to short from here. I try to wait for some reaction from these discount area, then look for longs. I trade little different. He also takes longs from this area. Say this is a swing low, this is a swing high. We are in that premium zone, right? He'll try to short somewhere here, try to fade it till this right here. He also uses his 4 RPO3. He waits. यहाँ पे देख रहा. This is a high, this is a low. He tries to wait कि ऊपर या नीचे, high या low. He'll take one thing and then try to fade in the opposite direction. 50%. I try to do ulta of that, but it helps me though. Okay, we took out that 15-minute intermediate low. Did we invert this gap? No. Okay, we did invert that gap. It was also a nice long setup. So let's see what's that. Not good target wise. Nothing is there. We have this high where break even should happen. उसके अलावा कुछ नहीं है इधर. Uh, let's see. This is a nice trade, to be very honest. Let's see. Longs there. Oh my God, that's giving me 2.96 hour. I'm a little underconfident here. Place order. I'll risk 0.5% here. क्योंकि ना inversion is good. There's no proper break even spot for me. I can do it at this unfilled 1 minute gap pay. That is also nice. We'll see if it does. It should push, the volume should come. Nah, volume didn't come. It consolidated, it pushed bearish. These trades I try to avoid. That's why I risk half. Let's go to backtest here. Bro, BTC is currently taking out a major high. Can we expect sell trade? Let me see. Wait, we'll do this first and then we'll come to the. Okay. Wait, we came to this 5 minute order block. We are about to hit that 10 o'clock mark. Nothing is there. We did see potential reaction from this 15-minute gap. पर यहाँ पे equal highs बना के didn't hit my break even spot. Push bearish. That's a nice recovery, but yeah, sometimes it happens. We literally ऐसे high बनाया ऐसे नीचे गिर गया. So next day we'll move on. Also time. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2. Does time play any role in your model? Yeah, it does though. The move I expect should happen from, what do you call, from 7:30 to max 8:30. उसके अंदर ही होना चाहिए. Cause that time like volatility is more, it can push in like properly. Okay, this is where we are. Time actually plays a very good role, like very important. So here I'll ask you guys, is it bullish or bearish? Tell me, tell me your bias. I just want to know. At this point, would you try to buy or sell? Yeah, look at 1 hour chart as well. This is how 1 hour chart is. Try to tell me if it's bullish or bearish. Okay, it's a buy. How many are telling buys? One is try to be involved. It's actually gonna help you. And this is what the main thing is. People don't know where the draws are, and then they get stuck. 4 hour is like this. What is hawkish, bro? Hourly is like this. One guy said buys. Yeah, you're a little bit confused. What should your buys be at this point? 1 second, I'm getting a call. Okay, buy, sell. Yeah, it's actually sell. The reason is simple. 4 hour, there's actually nothing much. We are leaving relative lows. But if you go on to like 1 hour, that's why I gave 1 hour. See, we disrespect this gap. We are closing below that. Okay. Yeah, we have LRLR down also. We have LRLR up also. But for me to be bullish, I want these lows be. This is the first low which didn't take out. We literally made relative equal lows यहाँ पे. So my bias would be bearish till here. That's why I give 1 hour. 1 hour में क्या हो रहा है यहाँ पे देखो. We literally disrespected this gap. Can you see? Bullish push किया. We didn't close above this. Actually यहाँ पे close नहीं किया. We did respect this gap right here, and we did disrespect few of these gaps here, and then we are respecting this gap right here. That's why 1 hour I gave. See यहाँ पे छोटा वाला gap है. Got respected. Okay, this whole thing got respected. Actually a chart अलग है. It would have got respected, and वहाँ पे भी नहीं है तो we disrespected these gaps right here. If 4 hour is giving you nothing, if literally 4 hour is giving you nothing, try going for like 1 hour. Find something to look. Can you observe the PA at open close of 4 hour, 1 hour candle PA always shows rejection? Yeah, yeah, yeah. I do. That's also I do watch that. I do target till those points. If I'm bullish, you're telling right. This is 4 hour candle opens. If it pushes higher, and I'm trying to sell, I'll try to sell till this 4 hour ka open tak. I do that. Yeah, bearish until we took LRLR, then we push bullish. Yeah, that would be my bias. But overall, I would be bearish if if it taps here, we didn't see any bullish signs, then we can sell till this low. So ye low hai, we can sell till there, we can sell till this low. This low is there, this low is there. We can sell till those lows. ठीक है. We have first low इधर ही है जो relative equal हुआ. And one more thing to note is this 1 hour has this unfilled gap right here. I want bearish reaction. I want this gap to support. What I want to do price यहाँ से यहाँ तक आए फिर यहाँ से कुछ rejection there. Okay, simply don't go for sell still here क्योंकि we have this unfilled gap जो पूरा है. या तो यहाँ से यहाँ तक टारगेट करो वो भी अच्छा, नहीं तो look for sells from this area to here. Okay, 1 hour is like this. We are generating this LRLR. It's better to go down till here then push higher. There's ऐसे भी हो सकता है. It can push way too high and then come down. That is also there. Okay, so let's see. I want price to hit here. Now where are we? See, on 1 hour we are in this bearish fair value gap. Okay, if you want to refine more, can go till this order block, then push bearish. 4 hour, there's nothing much, but yeah, 15 minute. Nothing much. 5 minute, 1 minute. Okay. So from here, this side to this low to this side, any inversion, short silver till this area. So direction is clear. This is very bad. Okay. If inversions happen, it should happen quickly. Okay. We did inverse here. Let's see. 3 minute, do we have inversion? We have this 3 minute car. We'll wait for that. 5 minute, do we have anything? We have this 5 minute also. Okay, which got inversed. I can take shots here. This was the highest time frame inversion. Okay, कहाँ पे है? I'll show you guys. This is the inversion. First thing, bias. Bias was bearish. Why? We are respecting this gap right here. We disrespected these gaps right here. We made relative equal lows. Draws are bearish. We hit that 1 hour fair value gap. These are the trades which it's fine. If even if it goes loss, ले सकते हो. Target, can I target till there? You can. I would prefer थोड़ा छोटा ही करो. Okay, so from here, this side to this low, where should your break even spot be? It can be at this low, एक swing point है. Otherwise, if you're confident, make this as your break even point. Let's see if it goes 2.37. For here, little up, थोड़ा retrace, place order. This also I would take with 0.5%. Okay, bad reaction. I feel like this have back tested someday or a loss हुआ. I remember this loss. Okay, fine. It's fine. We hit that this key level right here, जो 1 hour पे था. What? If you backtest your strategy, should we only look 7:30 to 8? If you backtest my strategy, look from 7:30 till 10 o'clock. Does a size of gap doesn't matter at all? I didn't understand what you mean. This loss is a good loss, to be very honest. It's a nice one. It hit this thing. It did inverse this gap. But the thing is that it didn't give that V-shape recovery. Oh, वहाँ पे मैं ध्यान रखता. Okay, so let's see what happens. Push bullish. We hit that order block right there. Man, you are getting cooked in backtesting. Lol, this happens to me also in backtest. We rush things. Yeah, that happens, but I'm just using it. It's fine. Overall, PNL is positive. But I know what setups to take, what I don't take. That's the thing. This happens. That doesn't matter. See, good losses are a part of trading that people don't understand. Uh, okay, we are at 8:35. Oh, where are we reacting from? 1 hour order block. Do you have anything downside? 9 minutes, this candle will close. There's nothing much here. Okay, so right now we are reacting to this 5 minute gap. If it respects, it should push higher to this high. Otherwise, if it disrespects, it should go potentially lower. Wait 1 second. I missed my entry here. This would have been another entry. We inverse this gap. जल्दी जल्दी में हो गया. We inverse this 5 minute gap. Okay, we're still at our timings. We inverse this gap. We hit that hourly order block. Good losses gives more lesson than good profit. Yeah, that's true. Because I was reading this book by Mark Douglas. Okay, so there are people. Okay, मैं बाद में बताऊंगा अच्छा वाला. He literally explains what good losses and what bad losses are. This as TP wise can go till here, to be very honest. Let's see. Didn't take this, didn't get filled. By this time, my stops would be break even. Let me see if I can enter here. We hit that unfilled gap right here. Let me remove this. I have 30 more minutes that I can trade. यहाँ पे कुछ होगा तो I can take shots till यहाँ पे फिर से relative equal lows है. My break even would be here at this point. ये lower दिख रहा. This would be my break even. ये break even hit होता. I usually aim for like 1 to 1, 1 to 1.5. यहाँ पे मैं try कर रहा हूँ कि can I expand that more? Nah, see, trend higher. Won't be trading this. We are generating this LR उधर तक hit हो सकता. Yeah, I remember this day actually. I have backtested this day, or no, wait, March, right? I have taken this trade, I guess, in real time. This exact same shot which I took here. This shot right here. This or this. Wait. Some shot right here. I remember these lows being like this. ये दोनों hit नहीं करता. It's fine. We'll go to next day. What's the time? 8:16. I'll backtest till 8:30. We took out these draws right here. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Uh, 1 second. 4 hour. It's not loading. You guys can use backtesting here. This is actually very free. It's it's the best backtesting software you can use. Okay, fine. Again comes the day. What should your bias be at this point right here? 4 hour I'm giving you. What should be your bias here? My PNL is like literally break even. Okay, I'll mark few things that might help. There's a new day opening gap right here. We have unfilled gap right here. We have unfilled gap right here. Okay, few highs are right here. Hourly if you want. Hourly also you can look. What should your bias be at this point? This is something no one tells. There's literally the bias is like blindly you can tell by looking at this. Will you make a video of your strategy like TJR? I'm planning to not do that. You can watch me trade live. The thing is that my strategy depends on the price action. My strategy is nothing but low to high, mark 50%, see how it reacts there, trade to unfilled caps, or else use PO3 and trade. So what's your bias? Still fast, still fast, still fast. Mm, यहाँ पे ना the bias should be blindly बता सकते हो कि क्या bias होना चाहिए. Guys tell the bias. I won't tell you guys tell the bias. People will get it wrong. That's the thing. Sell maybe you don't know. Okay, fine. Anyone else? Finally, time is running out. It is actually sell. We have this new day opening gap. जब भी ऐसा gap रहता है, always stick to this bearish pass. Okay. See potential shots from here to here. Why? Yeah, it's sell because we have that new day opening gap. It's actually sell, bro. We can hit this high, then reject from there, but the bar should be sell right here. Uh, there's nothing. Yeah, bullish till the recent high taken that you can do. Otherwise, yeah, from there, see any sells that you can take. Right now, what is our hourly? We have this again. We reacted here and target till here. This is a 1 hour intermediate low. Okay, so we have few highs. We have bearish bars. Let's see if I can see any potential setups on that. Bit higher, took out these highs. 3 minute, 5 minute, 3 minute. We have to invest this gap as well. Okay, we did invest. अगर ये मिलेगा तो अच्छा, नहीं तो bad luck. This I can put stops to break even, target 1 to 2 or something. But I would literally wait for retest. Why? Because pass was bearish. We took out this high, we took out that high. Okay, so we got like a perfect V-shaped recovery out of that. 5 minute, there's no gap right here. उसके अगला टाइम फ्रेम 3 मिनट है. वी हैव दिस 3 मिनट इन्वर्जन. मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली मैं देखता यहाँ से रीटेस्ट करके 1 to 1 लेता इधर तक. विल सी इफ इट कैन गो टिल 1 to 2. इवन आई एम बैक टेस्टिंग. ओके, सो लेट्स सी. Getting cooked here. It's fine. This is actually again a nice trade. I got cooked. It's fine. We'll cook again. That should have worked though. We have proper low right here. My bias is still bearish. Okay, fine. I'll wait. We took out this high again. Okay. We took out that in high that I wanted to take. यहाँ पे patience काम नहीं किया. This is the high that price should have traded. But shots from here is also nice because this is like a break-even spot. अगर ऐसा रहता तो देख सकते हो. Okay. We not 1 minute gap right here. Shots लेना था. We'll see. Okay, we took this high again. It's consolidating though. Can you check news here? Can't. It's fine. Happens. The very bad price action. Bruh. I feel like there's some news. Very shitty price action. We'll see. We did invert this gap. Nah, very bad price action right here. None of the draws are hit. None of the draws got hit. I feel like there's a news because ऐसा नहीं होता इधर. Here also we consolidated. Here we pushed higher. Okay, so yeah. Uh, we'll wait for 1 second. Go to yeah, session. Wait 1 second. 6:59. Okay. Yeah, I knew there was a news. न्यूज़ हिट आवर टारगेट क्योंकि दिस बैड प्राइस एक्शन नहीं रहता until and unless there's some news. I would have avoided trading that day. I trade Nasdaq, bro. So from here, potentially short still here. Again, same draws. Don't leave data highs and lows. Again, why is it so bad? We'll see. For now, what we have is this gap right here. I would probably won't short till it hits this high or something. Because if you look from this side to this low, again, why only NQ not ES? ES typically moves slower. ES बहुत slow move करता है. That's why. Either otherwise, I can do one thing. Target till here. This is a 15-minute intermediate high. We have that 4 hour जो Kane का model है. That's what Kane's model is. Trade that 4 hour PO3 to this discounted area. That I can do. 3, 5. We have this 5-minute gap that has to get inverse. We did inverse that gap. I remember taking this exact trade, bro, on March. कौन बोला मार्च के लिए? Yeah, and ES is always on drugs. It usually makes those barcode, bro. I hate those. Scar retest. So from this high to this low, this is the highest time frame gap. 3 minute में यहाँ पे है. 1 minute also we have few here, but this 5 minute is the highest time frame. I'm trying to wait for this. I feel I have taken the same trade on March. क्यों याद आ रहा है पता नहीं. I've taken this trade. I know the outcome. I know the outcome of this trade, bro. Who told March? I've literally taken the same exact trade. It will fill me. I know the outcome. Yeah, I knew this. And wait. It goes down. Yeah, I knew this trade. I've taken this exact same trade. Can I show? 1 second. Okay, not this. 1 second. What's the date? March 26. I've taken this trade. I remember. 1 second. Why is my chart? Hmm, not here. I want to show I have taken the exact same things. यहाँ पे भी नहीं है. So this one, this one. I don't remember where it is. To be very honest. I have literally I know this trade. अरे एक ही पूछ रहा. I know the straight outcome. That's why I told you. It's fine. What is your strat, bro? I've been doing that for like past 1 hour. Okay, so we pushed bearish. We have this low, bro. It's going there. Yeah, it was going there. I'll skip to next day. Because I remember यहाँ पे short लिया था फिर I saw this. I'm like it's going, yeah, memory hit हुआ. Okay, so here 15 minute. What would I look for as, yeah, what should your bias be here? I'll do this fast. I have to, I should actually go, but it's fine. Yeah, my bias would be bearish here. Why? Because we respecting this gap. We are about to disrespect this gap. We have inverted these gaps. Daily time frame, I feel like it's disrespected this gap. Yeah. So overall, I'm bearish, but it might push here and then it can look for shorts because we made these relative equal highs. Let's see, wait. I can potentially look for longs, then shorts from there. Uh, 3, 5. We have this 3 minute inversion. 1 second. Wait, okay. I'm getting. Okay, so right here, my bias is actually bearish. I'm doing this against the trend because of the LR is generated. I'm literally breaking my rules, but yeah, we have this, what do you call, perfect V-shape recovery from here. Okay, and 15 minutes, I'm feeling like it's, yeah. Wait. Yeah, I did this 15 minutes CSD, change in the state of delivery. 5 minute also, we reacted to this bullish gap. We disrespected all these gaps. We have this break-in spot from there. If it goes, it goes. Use NQ and German 40 for SMT. Why, bro? Okay, that's like doing drugs and use it. It's better than doing drugs. Just give it a try. I'll see. I'll try that. Okay, this would be my trade right here. Okay, if this fails, probably it'll go down from here. I can potentially look for longs. Okay, we have few more targets. We have this high right here. I said, nah, wait 1 second. We have one more high right here. That's a unfilled hourly gap. Also a nice direction. Okay. Have a daily bias, then I on a day open 1 hour liquidity sweep and then confirm a daily is a sweep on a hour. Bro, that's too big, bro. If it works, use it. I'm not against that. Nice big though. Okay, let's see. Buy stops there. Yeah, I'm getting cooked, bro. Okay, break even there. I feel like I changed colors. That's why it's happening. TP. Finally, one TP. No, there's a second TP, right? Yeah. Overall, you can hold it till this. I also, yeah, it does work. Works. Trust me. Check it out. I'm not planning to switch my strategy, but I'll do check it out. Nice though if it works. I thought I was cooked here. What was this though? Why did we react here? I thought why we were cooked this way, inverted these gaps right here. I'm like, it's gone. But yeah, works. I need SMT also. That's a very good confirmation. Also, I'm not using. Wait, can I use? I can use session indicator. It takes time to analyze all these things. If I go see how London is working, how Asia is working, फिर backtesting में time चले जाएगा. Okay, so we hit those highs. Okay, we filled this gap completely, which was a new day opening gap. My buy should have been bearish from here to here. Yeah, I do trade futures. Okay, how do you get your daily bars? I get it through 4 hour and hourly candle. I see which gaps. You check out my Instagram, bro. You'll get to know. I make videos of every trade I make from daily bars to this thing. Okay, so yeah, one trade that we'll see if this gap is holding. Otherwise, we have this unfilled gap again right here. It's too far. I would recommend to wait what happens here. We fill this gap completely. Okay, and we actually rejected from there. Okay, so this loss was my mistake. That time I made it again. Okay, जो 7-8 महीने पहले. So yeah, if right here, if this gaps are there like this new day, try going for sells till those things uh, get hit. फिर उसके बाद देख सकते हो कि क्या क्या कर सकते हो पास. Now this gap has been filled completely. We hit that 4 hour intermediate high also. There's an intermediate high. From there, either it goes here, gives longs from this high to this high. Okay, this low to this high. फिर नहीं तो इधर से we can look for shorts. For now, what I'll do is, yeah, just see how price is reacting at these levels. One is this premium discount. Okay, so we are about to hit that discounted area where I can look for sells if I'm bearish. Currently, it is bearish. We are disrespecting these gaps. We are respecting gaps in 1 hour, I guess. Yeah, 1 hour. This got get disrespected. Let's see. Okay, so in 1 hour, it's actually bullish. Is it 1 second? Nah, it's still bearish. I got it wrong. Okay, so we'll see how it reacts here. Based on that, I'll take. I don't like trading सब ऐसे जब मीम कॉइन की तरह ट्रेड कर रहा है. I saw time alignment in your node. Shouldn't you be using daily R1? I use what works, bro. Chill. Okay, so yeah, we have this potential unfilled gap right here. Price hit here. Try looking for sells till where? Oh, where did I go? I can go here. Okay. Let's see. Once it hits, I'll tell you where to target. Very bad price action. I'll probably wait because it's not a good price action. Probably skip this day. Yeah, it was a bad day. I feel like again there's some news, bro. It's the worst price action I've seen in March. Discord link is expired. Is it? Let me check, bro. If it's possible, try going through my Instagram if possible. Otherwise, I'll try to renew it. I didn't know it was expired. Okay. So right here, again, I feel like there's some news. This is the worst price action. I usually don't take trades conditions like this. Took out the slow right here. Bro, there's literally nothing here. We are still following that bearish condition. Okay, we are still respecting these gaps. It's pushing bearish. We have that small change in the state of delivery here. If that's the case, it should go till here, till here. Actually, there's nothing much. I don't like, I don't know why it's like this. Yeah, it's faking around. Pushed bearish. Yeah, all my draws have to get hit before entry. Nah, bro, this is wild. Didn't get entry here. What was a 4 hour candle doing? We did invert this gap also. That's acts like bearish condition. We took out this low. Still bearish. Never change pass. This slows that. This slows that. Okay. So 15 minute. Let me remove these. I'll take last three trades. Been doing this for like hour, I guess. That's a 15 minute unfilled gap. Uh, okay. We took out the slow also. Nice rejection from there. 3 minute. We have this 3 minute gap. Not a high probability trade, but yeah, something that I can take as here. Not my strategy though, this is. And it's still here. Let's see if it works. Place order, save. Nah, nah, cooked. Yeah, this second high, I should have kept it break even. Didn't do that. Now I'll push higher. Yeah, bro, very bad. Yeah, that's a bad loss to be honest. Didn't get any entry here. Uh, high time is also done. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Why is it moving like a meme coin? Uh, okay. blindly. This is my drawn liquidity. Okay. Uh, thing is that we have this 15-minute high right here. We have another high right here. And then on 5 minute, we do have this order block right here. Price might react, push higher, but very tough spot to look for longs. But yeah, draws are clearly this new day opening gap, hourly, nothing much. Okay, so we do have this unfilled 15-minute gap. We have one more unfilled gap right here. We have few potential highs that I can look to target right here. 5 minute. Okay, fine. Took out that first 5 minute high. Entry. Yes. Nah. We'll see if it can give any entry here. That would be nice. We have that unfilled 5 minute gap right here. No inversion. No entry. We did invert gap right here. Okay. This is a nice setup, but it's too overpriced. Uh, okay. Place order, save. Bro, why is this price action so bad? I literally hate it. Okay, so yeah, draws were clear. We did hit this high right here. Okay, so my break even was right here. I just kept it. I'm out of my mind right now. Can't do too much backtesting. Hourly, we are in that new day opening gap. Right, it literally took whole day. It's 11:44. Yeah, we'll do one more last sesh, otherwise I'll close it. Overall PNL, what is the PNL? What is this curve, bro? We have 33% win rate, 1 to 1.5, almost break even though. We made $259, half percent profit. How many days did I trade? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 days. 8 days, it's fine though. I'll probably take one or two more trades and call it a day. What's the time? 8:48. Guys, I'll come back later. I have to go somewhere. I'll come and do again if possible. Otherwise, call it a day. I have to go eat dinner before 9. If you guys have anything, we can do one thing. I'll come on Discord. We can talk there. It's better. That I can do. I have to go actually. I didn't see the time. I was planning to do till 8:30. Have few work. I have to go eat dinner. Yeah, I'll come on Discord at what's the time? I'll come on Discord at 9:30, 10. That's better. I'll fix that Discord expiration. Okay, how did it get expired? Fine, I'll fix that. So yeah, uh, I'll go. I'll come back later. Bye 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 bye.